How to fix request cannot be processed on Facebook app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. You see the your request cannot be processed message on a Facebook app. It usually means there's a temporary issue with your connection, account, or the action you're trying to perform. In order to fix it, you could try refreshing the page. That is, you could completely close the Facebook application from the background, and at the same time what you could do is you could try logging out. So after you refresh your Facebook application completely, you could also try checking for an update. Sometimes simple update can fix your issue. So go to Play Store or an App Store, and then on the search box you want to type in Facebook. Here you should be able to see update. So click the update button and see whether the issue fixes or not. And similarly, this could also be an issue due to a poor connectivity. So check whether you're connected to an internet service or not. So go to settings, or you could also simply swipe down, or else you could just go to settings and then you want to go ahead and click on network and internet and check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. You could also try restarting your router. That could be an easy way to fix the issue as well. After doing all of these procedures, if you're still unable to fix it, so you could go and clear cache as well as data. So go to app info by long pressing the Facebook application. Then you want to go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache, and then you could go to clear storage as well. But this is going to delete your data permanently. Only if you're sure about it, then tap on it. Once you go ahead and do this, log into your account and see whether the issue fixes or not. If the issue persists on, then you could also try uninstalling the Facebook app. At the same time, restarting your device, that is, tap on the side buttons and then you could go and restart your device. After which, reinstall the application. That could be able to fix the issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to fix your request could not be processed on Facebook app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.